Using Minecoin gift cards on Nintendo Switch is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is powered on. Navigate to the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. You can find it on the home screen. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Nintendo account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. In the eShop, look for an option to enter code or redeem code. This is usually found in the menu on the left side. If you have a Minecoin gift card, check if it contains a code. If not, you may need to purchase a Nintendo eShop card with your Minecoin gift card or through other means. If you have a code from your Minecoin gift card or a Nintendo eShop card, enter it in the designated area. Follow the on-screen instructions. After entering the code, confirm the entry and proceed to redeem the code. The corresponding amount should be added to your Nintendo eShop account balance. Launch Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch. Inside Minecraft, go to the in-game marketplace where you can purchase various items, including skins, worlds, and other content. While in the marketplace, you should see the option to use Minecoins for various in-game purchases. Select the items you want to buy and use your Minecoins for the transaction.